Hi, my name is Jennifer, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Canva presentation. There are 3 ways that you can create presentations. Go to the home page, select Presentations, and choose one of the 5 options below. You can also go up to Templates, over to Business, and choose Presentations. When you click on Presentations, you can see a load of presentation categories. You have different options such as education, marketing, brand, business. Really, the list is endless. There are so many templates that you can use in Canva. You can also create a blank presentation if you want to start from scratch. Go up to the search bar and type in keywords that you may want to use in your presentation. In this section of the video, I would like to show you how to present with Canva. When you go up to the right-hand side of your presentation window, you have three options: Standard, Autoplay, or Presenter View. Standard is simply clicking through on each slide as you progress. Autoplay is set through a timer, which will play as you speak. The presenter view allows you to view notes as your presentation continues. Presenter view is nice because you can always refer to the notes on each slide. The next section is the magic shortcuts. With magic shortcuts, you can make your presentation more fun and exciting. Here I'm showing you that if I click one of the letters, B, it'll make my screen blurry. If I click, let's say, O, bubbles will rise up from the bottom of my page. If I click the letter C, I will have confetti fall from the top of the slide. All of these magic shortcuts with hotkeys allow your presentation to be more exciting and fun for your audience. There's a button also in the bottom right-hand side of the screen that allows you to see a presenter window and an audience window. Your presenter window lets you go through the slide and see what information you need to see as the presenter, and the audience window will show you what your audience is viewing on their side. With the presenter window, you can still see your notes screen. The last option here is showing you Canva Live. Canva Live is set up so that your audience can see what you're presenting in a live view. You copy an invitation link, which you can then give to your audience, and then they can join your presentation. I would like to show you the present and record features with presentations. I'm going to go up to the three dots on the right-hand side, and I'm going to click Present and Record. Here it says go to Recording Studio, and from there you can set up your camera and microphone. If you want to do just audio, like I like to do a lot of times, just select audio. Gives you a countdown to start your presentation. Here you can see that it's recording. There's a timer up in the left-hand corner. You can ask questions during your presentation. You can add notes so that you can remember what you're saying as you're presenting your presentation. This example is showing that I just added, okay, this is what my slide is, and I'm going to give an introduction to that slide. You can, during your presentations, encourage your audience to participate. This is when you're sharing your presentation. If you want your audience to actually respond in real time, you can have them click on the screen if you've invited them to edit the presentation, and they can share comments and different suggestions. Okay, when you're done presenting, you click End Recording. Your recording uploads, and from there you can either copy the link, download, or save and edit the presentation. Show you how to integrate animations into your presentation. Animations are fun and can create an engaging slideshow for your audience. Here I'm just showing you that you can select a photo, you can add or remove a background, you can add a shadow, or even change the color of the element that you've selected. Here I'm looking for a circle frame. What my end result I want to have is I want inside that coffee cup, I want something to swirl around, whether I want coffee or maybe I want a different color, but I'm going to add a video to this circle frame. I go to videos, and up in the search bar, I had already searched for swirl, I think it was. So here I dragged my video into the frame. Now I'm going to search for photos, and I want to put my coffee cup on a desktop, desktop. Okay, just for example, I want to show you, I clicked this dark background, and for this instance, I'm resizing, and I want to add that desktop to the back behind my coffee cup. And just for this purpose, I'm selecting my coffee cup and the video and moving it over to the left side of my screen. Okay, you can position your coffee cup and the swirl to cover up the other coffee cup that's there. I could have also used a background eraser and tried to erase that background, but in this case I just covered it up. All right, now I'm going to add text. I'm saying create a presentation with animation. Okay, I go up to animate, and in this instance it's text, so it defaults to text animations, and my favorite text animation is typewriter. Now I can go up to share and present, and you can see your animation with typewriter animation across the screen and your coffee swirl. How fun is that? During presentations, especially if it's an autoplay presentation, you want your slides to transition smoothly from one slide to another. If I select on my slide, I can go to animate, and I can animate each page as my presentation continues. Here I like to click something more simple for each page that I can apply that animation to, and then individually I can select on elements and change their own animation as well. I can adjust the timing of the page animation or element animation. A lot of times you want to add just an element animation when you want to just kind of bring more attention to the screen. If I want to present, I'm going to go up to present, just choose how I want to present. In this case, I'm going to choose autoplay, and I wanted to show you that you can change how long you want each slide to continue. So here I chose 5, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the next slide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and you can see that each slide had that page animation applied.